No service again. This is no good.
I got an idea. Why don't you try my phone? It's like a computer and it's got great service.
Wow, it's ringing. It works.
Hi, Jack here with Iggy's super cool phone service. This phone has amazing features like you can take photos, you can go on the internet, you can text, call people, do whatever it is what you will with it. There's so much cool shit on here. Like it's confusing. It confuses me. For today, you can get it for $100, a discount of $200 discount, which is, I mean that's a deal right there in itself. Make sure you call Iggy's today. It's 555-555-5550. Sweet. You should call. I'm just throwing that out there. Call today, and it'll be great. All right. Iggy's, peace out.
That was perfect.
All my friends, yellow rider.